ECM multi-speed blower motor troubleshooting gets way easier when you know whether to test the motor installed or removed from the system. Okay, so when you're trying to figure out if the blower motor module is acting up, it's actually best to test it while it's installed. That way, you're seeing how it handles real-world load conditions, which is what really matters. But if you can't test it installed for some reason, spinning the blower free still helps catch obvious issues with the module or wiring. Just remember, when it's spinning without the load, you might miss problems that only show up under normal operating conditions. Also, keep an eye on the motor's current draw during tests. That's a solid way to spot trouble early. Make sure your connections are tight and corrosion-free before testing because bad wiring can mess with your results. It helps to use a digital multimeter with the right settings for motor diagnostics so you're not guessing. And don't forget to check the blower motor capacitor if your setup has one. A bad cap can cause weird motor behavior. Lastly, always follow safety steps. Turn the power off when hooking or unhooking anything to avoid shocks. One of the biggest mistakes in ECM multi-speed blower motor troubleshooting is testing the motor without considering load conditions, which can lead to missing intermittent faults. Fix this by testing with the blower installed whenever possible. Another common issue is ignoring wiring and connector problems, which often cause false diagnostics. Double check and clean all connections before testing. The third frequent error is overlooking the motor capacitor or power supply issues that mimic motor failure. Always include those components in your checks for a complete diagnosis. BigHomeProjects.com is a super handy platform that helps homeowners find local contractors they can actually trust for their big home jobs. It also gives contractors a chance to connect with clients and grow their business by showcasing their skills and reputation.